In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu font on your Wix website. Adjusting your menu font can significantly impact the overall aesthetic and readability of your site. So let's dive into it and tailor your site's look to fit your brand perfectly. Start by heading over to the Wix website editor. You'll want to log into your account and access the editor for your specific site. If you're new to Wix, you can find the editor on the dashboard's main page. Just click Edit Site, and that'll take you where you need to be. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the menu section of your site. The menu can be located at the top or the side of your page depending on your template. Click directly on the menu to proceed. A new toolbar will appear, providing several options for customization. Next, you'll want to click on the design button from the toolbar that appeared. This option will allow you to modify various design elements of your menu, providing a more cohesive look that suits your style. After selecting Design, you'll now click on Customize Design. This will open a detailed interface that lets you adjust many aspects of how your menu appears. Here, we can fine-tune specific features of our menu's text. In the Customize Design panel, find the arrow button on the menu container and click it. This will reveal additional options for customization, including adjustments to the text, colors, and other elements. From these expanded options, click on Menu Items. This setting will allow you to delve deeper into the text properties specifically. It's important to make sure that the font style aligns well with the rest of your site to maintain consistency. Next, you'll select the text option. This is where we can change the font style. Exploring different fonts can help you discover the one that best suits your site's mood and theme. Then click on Style. Here, you can choose from the available font styles. Wix offers a variety of styles ranging from the simple and classic to the modern and bold. Picking the right one can set the tone for your page. Once your font style is set, click on Font Size. This allows you to adjust the size of your menu text. Remember, the size should be legible and balanced, ensuring it's easy to read across different devices. Now, adjust the line spacing. This setting influences the gap between the lines, which can enhance readability and visual appeal. Follow this by adjusting the character spacing. This option changes the space between individual letters. Depending on your font choice, tweaking this can make your text more readable. Lastly, you have the option to click on Shadows. Adding shadows can give your text more depth and make it stand out against your website's background. It's completely optional, but can add a nice touch to the overall design scheme. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the font on your Wix menu. By following these steps, you ensure your website not only looks great, but also remains accessible to your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy website